2. TD, get time, 1.4 minutes. Time constant, 3 minutes. Determine the tuning parameters for a PI, and PID controller.
So how much, Shabab? How much is KP? KP is how much?
2.
2.
1.4.
That time how much?
1.4.
1 for 4 minutes. And the time constant how much?
3 minutes.
3 minutes. Right, Shabab? So what we're gonna do? Same way, we're gonna put the values in the table. Tau how much? 3. KP 2. TD 1.4. How much, Shabab? Yes, brother, how much? 1.07. Very good. Right, Shabab? Same way here. 0.9. How much tau? 3. How much KP? 2. TD 1.4. How much altogether, Shabab? Very good. 0.96. Same here, Shabab. 1.1. How much tau? 3. TB 2. TD 1.4. How much, Shabab? 1.78. Lot of brothers they are writing 1.78. Shabab, everybody is verifying? All the brothers verifying, Shabab?
Yes, yes.
That's good. That's good. So how much here? 3.33. How much TT? TT how much, Shabab? Very good. 1.4. So how much altogether? That's good. 4.6. Or you can say 4.7. Very good. Lot of brothers now writing. How much here, Shabab? 2 into TD. 1.4. How much? 2.8. Very good. How much here? 0.5 into 1.4. How much? 0.07. That's good. 0.7. 0.7. Units are already here. Any question up to here, Shabab? That's good. Lot of brothers they are saying no question. Okay.
Tishar,
Yes, please.
I think this is a question we have to do also process 2 and process 3.
Sorry.
This is in this question we have to do process 1 and 2 and 3.
Process 1. What is that?
What's the question? You find this is a schedule for process 1. We have to process 2 and 3.
Where is that? Process 1 and 3.
Page 12, question point 4.3.
4.4. We are talking about the 4.4.
Aha.
4.4.
Check.
Okay, Shabab. Please read the question 4.5.
Okay. Calculate gain, integral time, and derivative time for curves of the development. Process state time TD 10 minus 5 equal 5 minutes.
Bus, please. Okay, Shabab. This is given. What is given? Input is given and output is given like this. This is input, right, Shabab? This 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So at 10, it becomes 40. Before it was 38. And the output is like this. This is the output here. $38, and here it becomes 40. So this is from 38 to 48, like this. So there are numbers in the middle also, but we are not taking them. And what is the question, Shabab? He is asking us to find Kc, right? Integral time Ti and Td for this given system. Right, Shabab? Shabab with me?
Yes, teacher.
That's good. Lot of typing, yes. So this is,
Yes,
you know, this is the open loop system. As soon as this input and output is given, it means what, Shabab? Open loop system. Are these sustained oscillation? Is this sustained oscillation, Shabab?
No.
No. So it means it is open loop. So in open loop system, we have this table. So what we want in open loop system? We want Kp, process gain, we want process data time, and we want process what? Data time,
Time constant. So TD.
time constant. These three things we want. Okay, Shabab. What is the data time here? Data time Td is what?
5.
5. See here. This is 15. This is 10. So this is the data time. Right, Shabab? 5 minutes. What is process gain? How much
48.
is the process?
48 minus 38 over 40.
Very good. 28 minus 38 divided by
40 minus 56.
40 minus 38. Lot of brothers, they are writing 1.7. How much is this, Shabab?
I've got
How much is
I've got 5, teacher.
how much is this?
5.
5.
5. Very straightforward. How much is this? 10 over 2. 10 over 2. That is what, Shabab?
5.
5. Now what is left to find? Now what should we find now?
Time constant.
Tau is still there. Tau is still there. So what is the first step for the tau?
Change of output.
Span. How much time, Shabab? 10.
10.
How much is the span?
10.
10,
10.
yeah. Yes.
48 minus 38. 10. 60,
3.2 over 100.
3.2, this step 2, divide by 100 into 10. How much? How much above?
6.32.
6.32. Right? What is the third step?
The time. Find the time of
Huh?
add with
the
the
initial value. Initial.
Yeah,
Add the initial value. How much? How much above?
44 teacher. 24.
That's good. Lot of brothers are writing. Any question up to here, Shabab?
Yeah, thank you.
That's good. That's good. Okay, Shabab. Now we're gonna bring it here. 38, 40, 42, 46, 48. So 44.32. So it is this is 40, 42, 44, 46, 48.
approximately in 44, coming to the maybe 21.
That's
21.
very good. Approximately here. Right,
21.
Shabab?
Like
We can say 21 or even 20 is fine, no problem. A lot of brothers they are writing 20. Okay,
Yeah.
take 20, no problem. This is 20, Shabab. This is 15. So what is the time constant? 20 minus 15, 5. Very good. So time constant is what? Tau is equal to 20 minus 15 is equal to 5 minutes. Right, Shabab? Shabab with me?
Yes.
That's good.
Yes.
That's good. That's good. So, what is our KP, Shabab, now? What is KP? 5. What is TD? What is TD, Shabab?
5.
all of
5 minutes. And what is tau?
5 also.
5 minutes.
No.
That's good. Luckily, everything become 5. Now, what is the solution?
Teacher,
Yes.
I think process gain 1.21 teacher.
Sorry?
I think process gain 1 teacher.
How?
1.6. In the book
Yes,
teacher
brother.
1. In
Huh?
the book teacher 1.1.
This is not a book question. This is a separate question.
Uh-huh.
See here. See, brother, here. What is the input change?
Yes, yes. I
What
solved
is
it
change
the
in
part
input?
43.
40 minus 38. How much?
10.
40 minus 38.
10.
Huh?
5.
2.
I
40
solved
minus
it.
38.
I solved it teacher.
2.
But
Lot of brothers they are writing 2. Okay, what is change for the output?
2.
How much change for the output? 48 minus 38.
10.
10. So 10 by 2, how much?
5.
5.
I solved it with you, teacher. I
Sorry?
understand, but I have to. I solved this question. I solved it with you this, but I take some confusion when I saw the book, teacher.
No, no
I saw
problem. No
one
problem.
point.
The book question is the different numbers. This is different number. Right?
Yes, I
Now,
understand now.
we're gonna put these values in the table and we're gonna calculate. So how much is tau, Shabam? How much tau? 5. Very good. Lot of brothers they are writing 5. How much is KP? 5. How much is TD? 5. Luckily everything is 5. So how much is this? 1 by 5. How much? 0.2. Very good.
5.
0.2. Very good. Lot of brothers they are writing 0.2. 0.9 into 0.2. How much? Yes, Shabab, how much? 0.9 into 0.2.
0.18, teacher.
0.18. Very good. Very good. How much this one? 1.1 into 0.2. Very good. 0.22. Lot of brothers they are writing 0.22. Right, Shabab? What is TD? 3.33 into TD 5. How much? How much, Shabab? 3.33 into 5. That's good. Lot of brothers are saying 16.65. Very good. Units are already there. Units are already there, Shabab. 2 into TD 5, 10. Very good. Very good. Lot of brothers they are writing 10. 0.5 into 5. How much? 2.5. Very good. So this is the complete procedure. What was given? Input was given, output was given. We found the process gain, data time, process data time, process time constant. We found them. We bring them in the table and we find all the values for QDR parameters. Shabab with me? Shabab with me? That's good. A lot of brothers they are saying yes. Yes, Shabab. Next example. 4.6. Please read 4.6.
Calculate a controller is working as BI with
Yes.
gain 2
So PI controller gain 2 and integral time
and 5.
5 minutes per repeat.
Yes. It is the need
Yes.
to convert into PID controller, calculate parameter for PID and controller.
So we need to convert into PID controller and we need to calculate TI, TD and KC for PID controller.
Controller.
Right, Shabab? Yeah, Shabab. What is the procedure? What we should do?
The schedule teacher and
This is the table already we have. So put the values in the table. This is how much? 2. That's good. Lot of brothers they are saying 2. This is how much, Shabab?
1.5.
5. Very good. Lot of brothers they are saying 5. Now what to do next? We want to bring these values. What to do next?
To foreclose lob turning teacher.
Lot of brothers they are saying find TD. How to find TD? Tell me how to find it.
5 divide 3.3 teacher.
Okay, find from here. That's good. One brother is writing find the TD from here. Okay, TD we found. This TD is what, Shabab? Data time. 5 divided by 3.33. How much?
1.5 teacher.
1.5 minutes. Okay. That's good. We put this value here for TD. Then what? From where we're gonna find the tau, Kp? From where? Yes, Shabab. Yes, Shabab,
From
please.
from
Okay, Shabab, please see here. This is from here. Tau Kp Td. How much? 2 divided by 0.9. How much, Shabab? 2 divided by 0.9. How much?
2.22.
2.22. This is the value of tau Kp by Td. So 1.1 into 2.22. How much?
2.44.
2.44. So we take the value of this thing, put here. How much is this? 2 into Td, you already found 1.5. How much? You already
Teacher,
found the value of 1.5.
0.7.
0.75. 0.5 into
0.
1.5, 0.75.
Make another schedule, teacher, now.
See here, Shabab, what we did. These values, this was the PI controller. PI controller. For PI controller, Kc was 2 and integral time was 5 minutes per repeat. Right, Shabab? Question, convert this PI to controller into PID and calculate the new controller gain, integral time and derivative time. So what we did, these given two values we add in the schedule at their place. So 0.9 tau over kptd is equal to 2. So we don't care about tau kptd, we just keep them one side, take the 0.9 other side. So we get the 2.22 for whole this 2.22, and from here we get the TD. So TD 5 divided by 3.33, 1.5. So now put this value here. So tau over kp TD same and 1.1 here, 1.1, 2.22, 2.44. Same here we did. This is 1.5. So put the TD 1.5. Here we got 3. Here we got the 0.75. Any question up to here, Shabab? Yes, Shabab. Any question up to here? Please ask. That's good. Lot of brother they are saying no. That's good. Okay, Shabab.